Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's MDEVAAN again, and today I'm going to be working with chicken. So I want to do two different things with this chicken. So my sister and I are partitioning it. I want to do chicken pepper soup, and I also want to do pepper chicken, which is what this video is about. So alright, we're going to powering everything. You guys, I'm so excited. So excited to launch this stunning stick. It was just so fresh and new. Nigerians understand what I mean by launch, like when you use a new thing for the first time. I was so excited because we're just walking just by the roadside and I saw this woman selling, and my mom bought them plenty. So I was just very happy to be using it. Using new things, super cool. So just parboiling our chicken now. Spiced it. I didn't add any water. I don't like cooking my chicken with any additional water because in my secondary school I had this senior, Iwesi Nyagi. Thank you, Iwesi. One day she was talking with her own people, though. It's not like she was even talking to me. She was talking to her own people and telling them about how they parboil chicken in their house. And since that, without water. And then I was like, really? Chicken without water? And then I went home and actually tried it. And then it worked. So I stopped parboiling my chicken with water. Well, chicken that I have control over in the kitchen, I don't parboil with water, just with the juices of the chicken and all of that. So I just spice and then I let it to cook. So we finished parboiling our chicken, and then I've partitioned the ones that I'm going to use for the pepper soup already. So this one, the meatier parts. So this one, I'm just going to fry this and then we're going to pepper it. Very straightforward, nothing serious. The cool thing about this video is that I'm using an Abacha stove. I have no idea why it is called an Abacha stove, but I'll find out. So yeah, I just felt it was really cool for me to show you guys how I cook most times, especially when I'm cooking in bulk. Any meal that I'm cooking that involves a lot of people, I usually do this outside. It's just much easier for me. And then thank God the lighting worked, and when I was done it's still raining itself. So parboiled our chicken, fried it, and then now I just fried a little bit of pepper. Then I poured the meat stock of the chicken into it, and then added a little bit of extra spice, and black pepper, and then now added water. And then I'm just going to drop the chicken in it and then just let it absorb all the juiciness of the pepper. Basically, it's not very straightforward, nothing nothing so complicated. Yeah. So you guys know how I parboil my chicken now. Curry, garlic, spices, black pepper. Always put black and fresh pepper. So yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video, especially the fact that it's done outside, because I did. And if you have any questions, let me know. Well, don't wish about the Abacha stove. No way. My sister always helps me to light it. If you leave me alone, I'll spend at least 20 minutes trying to get it on. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.